Video. On 28th of Feb, we are celebrating, our country celebrate National Science Day. Okay, so those who want to participate in poster making competition, they have to mention their name in class 5 students group, or otherwise you can tell your name in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. There is a short video.
What comes into your mind when you hear the name Sivira? The inventor, the explorer, the scientist.
Sound is clear or not? Arav, sound clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, you have joined class 2 times. एक एंड करो, इस वजह से ये इको हो रहा है. फास्ट.
Sir Chandrasekhara Venkataman, the Indian physicist who made his motherland proud by becoming the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Physics. So, who is this C.V. Raman? How did he achieve all the things? And what is the story behind him? In this video, we will find out. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkataman was born on November 7, 1888, in the city of Tiruchirappalli, Madras. Raman's father was Chandrasekhar Ramanathan Iyer and his mother was Parvati Amman. His father, initially a school teacher and became a lecturer in mathematics and physics in Visakhapatnam. He displayed a brilliant mind even as a child and passed his matriculation examination when he was just 11. In 1903, aged just 14, Raman set off for great city of Madras, now known as Chennai, to live in a hostel and begin a bachelor's degree at Presidency College. He topped the exam and won a gold medal. 3 years later, he earned his MA degree in 1907. He was deeply interested in science. He appeared for the financial services examination at the insistence of his father. He topped the examination and went to Kolkata in 1907 to join the Indian Finance Department as an Assistant Accountant General. Still, his heart was in scientific research and he began conducting research at the Indian Association of Cultivation of Science during his free time. His job was very hectic, yet he was so dedicated towards science that he often spent nights at research. In 1917, he got the opportunity to join the University of Calcutta as a first ballot professor of physics. Raman happily resigned from his government post to take up this position, though the new job paid much less than the previous one. Such was his dedication to science. During the late 1920s, he experimented on the scattering of light by observing the behavior of monochromatic light, which penetrated.
Watch this very carefully. C.V. Raman gave a very means ये टॉपिक साइंस में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, रमन इफेक्ट. So he has given, C.V. Raman has given this, he has invented this and he got Nobel Prize for this, Raman effect.
Which penetrated transparent materials and fell on spectrograph. This led to the discovery of what come to be known as Raman effect. which is presented at a meeting of scientists in 1928. He won the 1930s Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the scattering of light.
So, Raman effect is about scattering of light. He got Nobel Prize for this, and he was the first Indian to got Nobel Prize in physics.
And for the discovery of the Raman effect, becoming the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in Science. He was honored with the Bharat Ratna, India's first civilian award in 1954 in recognition of his invaluable contribution to the field of science. He was married on 6 May 1907 to Lokasundari Ammal. They had two sons, Chandrasekhara and Radha Krishnan. Raman was very deeply interested in musical instruments such as veena, violin, and tabla. A few days before his 83rd birthday, Raman suffered a mild heart attack, but there was a quick recovery. He never dreamed of life without work. He had told his doctor, I wish to live 100% active and fruitful life. Raman, a seeker of truth throughout his life, passed away on 21st of November 1970. So that's the story of.
So, this is the story of Sir C.V. Raman. He was a great scientist. Uh, he has invented scattering of light, and he is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in science. Okay. Now, why I have shown you this? Because on 28th of Feb we are celebrating National Science Day, and he is the first person in India to win Nobel Prize in physics. Okay, let's solve few questions of maths, at least 2 3 questions, and you have to make PDF of that questions, and you have to upload in